Yes. Me ras your back. Me not go come and say no, me not lick you. Me ras your back and you put your hand for me. You know my mother, fam. Me walk you out several times, bro. My mother alone me could have called me. They are foreign by myself. Me not nobody to turn to. You know that. You know this. Nobody to turn to but you. I use that over my head several times. Several times. Oh, remember. Come on. Oh, pack up your things. Pack up your things. Go on, go. When me not have nowhere to go. I did not have a house. I did not have nobody for call and say, yo, me I come in your yard. And you tell me several times, pack up your things, pack up your... And every time I pack up my things, I'm going to catch somewhere. This is you. Come and work things out. We can work this out. And even the second time, the first time, and the third time, I got locked up. Constantly, every charge I get, if I'm such a monster, why did you come and drop every charge? Regardless of me telling you on the phone, say, Tash, listen, if you want to drop it, you drop it. If you don't want, if I am such a big monster and you want to get rid of me, so bad, you get 3 chances to do it. You lock me the first time, you say, alright, cool. You lock me the third time, you say, cool. The third time, the second time, you say, cool. The third time you lock me up, I say to you, say, yo, listen. I don't do this no more with you, no. No more, you know. The third time you lock me up and I say to you, I say, listen, I am not doing this no more with you, no. You turn to me and you say, listen, alright, you're not doing no more, I give up a lease. Remember, I'm not in the house for going on. I'm not in a body where I can send me to live with. You tell me, say, I give up a lease. And my mother, I call. I say, mommy, you're not a friend up here where I can stay with till I get on my foot. You have a girl up here, so in a Pensacola. Stranger girl. I'm gonna call her name because she don't want in this. She said, come stay with me. Work for yourself and stay with me. We not grind. We never bring no sex talk into each other. More than this is just a person where they see me and say, you know what? Come. Let me help you, youth. I'm gonna come our yard. And when I come our yard, I sleep on our couch for months, days and weeks. Upon that. Months, days and weeks, I sleep on that. I come on TikTok. And every single dollar, if I make $5, and somebody asks me if I have money, I say no. Because I save it. I'm going to put all of that in a disc, because a disc me want. When I get this apartment, the first day I call me and say to me, say, oh, you get it? I will sign up that for you. And I turn to you and I say, listen, a God. Mankind is not God. Let God work. That's all I say to you. You say, oh, wish you all the best in there. That's how you say to me. You say, wish me all the best in there. I turn to you and say, yeah man, I go and take my time and figure it out, man. Bro, the team help me. I will put everything together. You mentioned Ash, you mentioned Nella, you mentioned Ray. Them 3 people are people support me more than you. Them people are people believe in me more than you. So what I say? No, you know why now you choose to do this? Because now my name is Dummy, aka Dante. So you choose to do this now. When I could have do it the first year, the second year, the third year, why you choose to do it now? Because you reach out to me and I said, listen, I don't want to live with you. I am not going to live with you. I will support you from afar. But just for my sake, I am not living back with you. You was just at my house. You were just at my house. If I am such a monster that you are putting on this image that I am an animal and I am this and I am that, what were you doing at my house? Wasn't you scared for your life? Wasn't you scared of your life? You was just here. Check your page, you post it.